Let me ask you something. If everything you've tried with AI so far didn't work, and you had to start again from zero, what would you actually do differently? Not theory. Not random ideas. But a clear path. Because that's where most people get stuck. Not because AI doesn't work, but because they don't know what to do next. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what I would do if I had to start from zero again. No audience. No money. No experience. Just a laptop and AI. And this time, I would do it very differently. First thing I would change? I would stop trying everything. Because that's the biggest mistake beginners make. You try YouTube, then freelancing, then digital products, then something else, and after a few days, you feel like you've been working, but you've made no real progress. If I started again, I would choose one path. Just one. And for me, that path would be content plus simple income. Why? Because content builds attention. And attention leads to money. Simple. Now once I've chosen that, the next thing I would do is learn one tool. Not 10 tools. Not 5 tools. Just one. ChatGPT. Because once you understand how to use it properly, everything becomes easier. I would spend time learning how to generate ideas, write scripts, structure content, not perfectly. Just enough to get started. Then I would move quickly into action. Not planning forever. Not watching more videos. Creating. I would create my first video. It wouldn't be perfect. It wouldn't be amazing. But it would be done. Because that's what matters. Then I would create another. And another. My goal would be simple. 10 to 20 pieces of content, because that's where learning happens. Your first video won't work. Your second might not work. But something will start to improve. And that's what you need. Now here's something I would do much earlier this time. I would build something small. Not a big course. Not something complicated. Just something simple. A guide. A checklist. A small helpful resource. And I would connect it to my content. So now, I'm not just creating videos. I'm building a system. Content brings attention. Attention leads to value. Value leads to income. And that's the part most people miss. They create content, but they don't connect it to anything. So they stay stuck. Now another thing I would do differently? I would focus more on how I present my content. Because it's not just about what you say. It's about how it feels. If your title looks like everyone else's, people scroll. If your thumbnail looks like everything else, people scroll. So I would make sure every video feels different. More personal. More real. More honest. Because people don't connect with perfection. They connect with reality. Now let's talk about expectations. Because this is where most people quit. If I started again, I would not expect results quickly. I would expect confusion. I would expect slow progress. I would expect mistakes. Because that's part of the process. And instead of fighting it, I would accept it. Because once you accept that, you stop getting frustrated. And you start improving. Now here's where things start to change. After some consistency, you begin to notice small results. A few views. A few clicks. Maybe your first small income. And that moment matters. Because now you know, this works. And once you know it works, everything becomes easier. Now instead of starting new things, I would scale what is already working. More content. Better content. Better structure. If something brings results, I double down on it. Not replace it. That's how you grow. Now let's bring everything together. If I started from zero today, this is exactly what I would do. Choose one direction, learn one tool, create consistently, build something simple, connect content to income, improve over time, scale what works, that's it. No complexity. No confusion. Just a clear path. And if you follow that, you will make progress. Not instantly. Not perfectly. But steadily. And that's what actually works. So if you've been feeling stuck, or overwhelmed, or like this isn't working for you, just know this. You don't need a new idea. You don't need a new tool. You need a better approach. And now you have one. If you want more videos like this, simple, real, practical, make sure you subscribe. Because here, we focus on what actually works. And in the next video, I'll show you how to turn this into something bigger. See you in the next one.